What's going on, guys? It's Kurt from Kurt's Cottage. So I'm not much of a gardener, but I'm going to try out a garden this year. I think it's a good idea. I don't have a cultivator to break up the soil. So I was searching around online and I found these machines that work similar to what I've done here. So I welded the mower blade to this round wheel. So basically I've just put this wheel on here, this round piece of steel. It had a hole in the center, and I just welded the lawnmower blade onto it, because the hole was larger than the arbor. There's already 4 holes, but I just had to make them bigger so I could fit these 1/2-inch bolts in. Alright, so let me fire this thing up, and then I'm going to show you a tear down and an actual build of this thing. So let's get into it. Alright, let's see what it'll do over in the sod.
So we're gonna mix the compost.
What a mess. So you can see that it actually works somewhat. It only goes down so far. It only goes down as deep as the bolts. Motor is underpowered, unfortunately, and it's spinning so fast. You want something that's not spinning so quickly and more geared down. Anyway, let's see what it does to the sod. There. So here's our mixed up, looks like soil, a lot of grass in it. I don't know if you could use that. It's starting to smooth out the threads, so that'll never come off again. That's it for that. Alright guys, so this is just an experiment. Do not try this at home. So unfortunately, this motor is not really strong enough to do this. What I'm doing here, as you can see, there's quite a bit of play now that wasn't in there before. So it feels like it's going to actually fly apart. So better use it for very limited use. You see all this I've done here. Alright, it's an old Sunbeam. Really know nothing about these things. It looks really old. Turns. So it doesn't have a permanent magnet motor. It looks like it has like a brushed, kind of like a big vacuum cleaner motor with gearing. You can feel the gearing.